How does inertia welding work? Basically, by forcing together pieces to be joined in such a way that rotary motion and pressure are converted into heat, which literally bonds the pieces into one part. Two pieces to be joined are aligned in an inertia welding machine. One piece is held stationary, the other is rotated rapidly on a spindle chuck attached to a flywheel. When the flywheel reaches a predetermined speed, it is disengaged and the freewheeling piece is forced against the stationary piece. Friction between the parts heats the budding surfaces to forging temperature. Just before rotation ceases, the two pieces bond automatically. When the flywheel stops, the weld is complete.